Good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Business by SIRISHA Varma. In today's video, we are going to do a live demo regarding how to boost a post on your Facebook page. So, if you already have a Facebook page and you want one post to reach many more people, because probably you want this post to reach more people to get more leads, or you are going to do a seminar or a webinar wherein you want to invite more people to attend it, then this kind of feature, that is boost post, will be really helpful. Facebook has evolved over a period of time, so even with the boost post feature, you get a lot of targeting options. You could target this specific post to people who are living in one specific country or one geographic location. So it could be a city, it could be a specific distance in that city, it could be an entirely different country, it could be the same country. And also, you could look at interest, which is a very, very interesting concept. So, we will be doing a demo wherein we will be logging into Facebook and I will be showing you how to boost a post in a step by step manner. This will definitely be helpful for you if you work in if you are a small business owner, or if you work in these kind of industries. For example, if you are a B2C kind of business, a B2B kind of business, an e-commerce business, if you are also into real estate business, if you are into loans business, then this boost post. And of course, if you are a business coach, then you definitely need to learn how to boost a post on your Facebook page. So let's get into it. Okay, so we have logged into Facebook, and this is how my newsfeed looks like. And to get to a specific business page, you can click on this flag icon above. And once you click on it, it will show all the different Facebook business pages that you are managing. Now, I have created this test page just to demonstrate how to boost a post. Now, when you click on the test page, this is the kind of page that I have created. I have just created this post 19 minutes ago to demonstrate how to boost a post. Once you have created a post, um, actually, one of the caveats of boosting post is the post that you want to boost needs to be already published in your page. So, depending on when you want to run your campaigns, it could be in a few hours or it could be in a few days. Then you plan accordingly how to first post, then you have to do the boost posting. That is, first you publish the post on your page and then do the boost posting. So to boost post, you just click on this small button which is available, which is boost post. And once you click on it, it will take you to a new window. Now, if you look at this specific window, the first objective or the first thing that comes up in the page is, of course, your goal. So Facebook is asking you, why do you want to run this advertisement? Is there any specific reason? Now, the first option that it automatically takes is, of course, the automatic option, wherein Facebook will decide which is the most relevant audience and which are the people who are more likely to react to the ad that you placed. That is why it is showing as automatic. But I would suggest that don't use this automatic option. First of all, you need to figure out, if you're running advertisement for the first time, regarding who is the kind of audience that is reacting well to your advertisement. So to do that, if you directly choose automatic, then you would not learn anything. So rather than that, depending on what your goal is, you can choose one of these objectives. It could be getting more website visitors, it could be getting more direct messages, or getting engagement. It could be likes, shares, etc., comments, etc., or direct leads. So if you are running a real estate company, or if you are into loans or insurance, then getting more leads will be an important object for you. Or getting more calls. Here you can directly update your phone number on the page, and all the calls will be directed to that specific number. So once you select your objective for running this advertisement, just click on save. So I have selected get more website visitors. As soon as I do that, Facebook generally throws an error because I have not updated any website on this specific Facebook page. So that is why the Facebook is saying that you want to run an advertisement to get more website visitors, but you have not mentioned which website it is. So you could just update your website here. And once that is done, there is one more button here talking about the special ad category. Given the Trump um, dispute that has happened, wherein they mentioned that data was taken from Facebook to make sure that Trump won the election. So, because of all of these issues, Facebook has actually created a special ad category. And if you look at what all businesses fall under this category, credit, that is your loans business; employment, that is if you are promising somebody that you reply to this advertisement and you will be taken in a job; housing, social issues, elections and politics, all these come under special ad category. So if you are running advertisements in any of these fields, then you have to enable this button. Once you enable the button, the advertisement that you are running will be scrutinized by Facebook on a higher basis. So, because we are not running any special ad category, I'm just letting it go for now. The next important thing is audience. Who are your target audience? Who do you want this advertisement to reach to? Here, you have various targeting options. So, if you click on the small pencil icon, it will open up in a new window, and these are all the options that are available. You can only target men, you can only target women, and also age dependent targeting is something that you can do. Apart from that, location, so you could actually select the whole of a country or even city based. So let us say I want to run advertisements only in my city, which is Hyderabad, Telangana. Then I could just select that, and by default it shows plus 40 kilometers, but I don't want to target plus 40 kilometers. Probably I just want to target the least, which is plus 70 kilometers directly. And once you do that, detailed targeting is also a very important feature. Now let us look at what all options are available in detailed targeting. If you click on the browse feature, it will show you all the options available. So depending on your target audience's education, you could target those people. Depending on the relationship that they are currently in, it could be they could be engaged, they could be married, they could be having the same sex partners, etc. All those kind of people can be targeted using demographics. Interest is again a very interesting concept, wherein depending on which industry those people are working in that you're targeting, what are the sort of fitness and wellness things that they do. So maybe they are interested in bodybuilding, then you could run an ad specifically to those people. Maybe they are interested in yoga and you run a yoga training institute, then you could specifically target these kind of people only. Behaviors, again, if they have any anniversaries within the next 61 to 90 days and you are a gifting shop, then you can definitely run advertisements for these kind of people. This is a very exhaustive list, so I would suggest that you go ahead and check out all of the features that are available within each targeting option and see which one is appropriate for you. Now, once you have done this, then what you could do is you could click on create new. What that does is it creates an audience for yourself. So every time you run an advertisement, you don't have to do all of these selections every time. You could just select that audience that you have created and run advertisements for those. Now, duration is how many days do you want to run this advertisement? Here it is showing us 7 days, but you could also reduce this number of days. But it says that at least 4 days if you run, then you get better results. So let me go with Facebook's suggestion. And end date is when do you want to end this specific advertisement? Now, if you look at what is the amount that we have to invest, it for reaching 178 to 514 people, you have to invest around 560 rupees. This is just the investment of the advertisement, but then you will also be adding taxes to it. That is, Facebook will be adding taxes to it, and the total comes to 660 rupees. So for 660 rupees, you are going to reach 178 to 514 people per day. Where will you be getting this kind of reach? Even if you print pamphlets and you distribute it, Are you sure that you would be able to reach 514 people per day, and that too every single day? And do you know that this is for sure the amount of people that you will be reaching? But here, if you look at this is just an estimate. You may be reaching 514 people, or you may be reaching less number of people than that. Or sometimes Facebook also optimizes on the budget, and you might be reaching more number of people than that. So this is just an estimate, but just look at the costing for just 660 rupees. That is, if you go to a good enough restaurant, you will not even get a meal for 660 rupees. But with Facebook, you can reach so many people, around 500 people per day for the same budgets. Now, this is the place where Facebook will ask you what are your payment options right now. So because my card is already saved, it is showing all of these options. But let us say I want to add a new debit or credit card. I could just click on debit or credit card. If you want to make prepaid kind of payments, you could just click on add credit, and then you could add credit. But I want to update my debit or credit card, so I will just click highlight this and then click on next. And this is where is the window wherein I can actually put all my details and then save this information, which I'm not going to do now. Now, if you just click on boost post now, that is where Facebook, the advertisement will be submitted to Facebook, and Facebook will take a minimum of 4 hours to review your advertisement. So depending on when you're trying to run your advertisement, schedule your ads accordingly. Also, this is boost post, so you will not be able to set a timeline. If you are running the post today, that means the advertisement will start from today. As you can see, there is only end date, there is no start date for this. So using this option, I hope you will be able to create advertisements for your own business and reach many more audiences and increase your sales. I hope you found this content interesting. For more such interesting content, please do subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. This is Sirisha Varma, founder, chief strategist at Branding by Pixels, a business strategy design and digital marketing company coming live to you from India. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, please do take care. Bye bye.